Hi there. If you've ever wondered how to do a Brazilian wax at home, but the idea seemed overwhelming, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm breaking it all down step by step so you can wax confidently and safely. Let's make this an easy, stress-free experience. Let's start with why hard wax is such a fantastic option, especially for sensitive areas like the bikini line. Unlike soft wax, hard wax adheres to the hair, not your skin. That means less discomfort and a much gentler experience overall. Plus, no strips are needed. It hardens on its own, making it simple and beginner-friendly. Before we start, make sure you have everything you'll need. Here's your checklist. High-quality hard wax. Rica is a great choice. A wax warmer to get the right consistency. Wooden spatulas for application. Pre-wax oil to protect your skin. Aloe vera gel or a post-wax calming lotion for aftercare. Having all your tools ready is the first step to a smooth process, pun intended. Prepping your skin is key to a successful wax. About 24 hours before waxing, exfoliate the area gently to remove dead skin cells. This helps the wax grip the hair more effectively. On the day of waxing, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Finally, apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil. This not only protects your skin, but also makes the process less painful. Next, heat your wax. Use a wax warmer and melt it until it has a thick honey-like consistency. Make sure it's not too hot to avoid burns. Always test the temperature on the inside of your wrist before applying it. Safety first. Here comes the exciting part, applying the wax. Using a wooden spatula, spread the wax in the same direction as your hair growth. Work in small sections, especially if you're a beginner. Make sure the edges of your wax strip are slightly thicker. This makes it easier to peel off. Let the wax cool for a few seconds until it's firm but still flexible. Now hold your skin tight with one hand. And use the other hand to grab the edge of the wax. In one quick motion, pull it off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Don't hesitate. Quick and confident is the way to go. Once you're done, it's time to soothe your skin. Apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel or a post-wax lotion to calm any redness or irritation. For the next 24 hours, avoid tight clothing, hot showers, and intense workouts. Your skin needs time to recover, so be gentle with it. Waxing at home can feel intimidating at first, but practice makes perfect. Start with smaller sections until you get the hang of it. And remember, consistency is key. The more you wax, the easier it gets because your hair grows back finer over time. And that's it. You've just learned how to do a Brazilian wax at home using hard wax. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need a little waxing confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more practical self-care tips. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.